were allowed to stay open when everyone else was locked down because obviously we're selling food. But quite understandably there were very few people in town, so we had to start and look at other ways for supplying our customers.
We basically started doing more home deliveries. We've always done home deliveries, but it just went from, you know, a few, maybe a week or days, to a lot a day.
Always delivered in glass bottles until this COVID crisis came, and then we went on to plastic so that we're not picking anything up at anybody's doorsteps. As soon as it gets better, we'll go back onto glass bottles. I don't like plastic.
We normally allow people in to get their eggs, but now, as you can see, people have to stand out and keep the social distancing.
We partnered up with Gwyn the butchers, so people could order their meat, and then they brought it to us, and we delivered it with a part of the package when we went to them, and also with Porters and Zing's Bar, the whole food shop. Yeah, so people could ring them, and we would put it on the delivery and take it up to their houses.
We've got 23,500 hens. We sell 3,500 through the egg room, and we've got 20,000 in bigger sheds round the corner. They all go to Stonegate and they will go to supermarkets.
We have maintained contact with a lot of our customers, and we've been able to continue to supply a lot of our customers, many of whom didn't want to come into town originally, and so we found a way through home delivery to keep supplying them and to keep us in business.
The eggs we get once a week from Gweithiodd farm in Llanbedr. We've had them from years and years and years.
We've been dealing with Mick and the Whites for Vicky comes most of the time. It's probably about 20 odd years now.
We're still here. We're still doing deliveries. The shop is open now. We were open all the way through anyway, but just meant that people couldn't come in. But the shop's back open, so you can still continue shopping or still have your home deliveries if needs be.
My customers ring me direct and give me orders over the telephone. We discuss what they want over the phone. I then put that order together and then take it down to Dee Valley Fruit and Veg, and they deliver it for me. In some cases, they've actually advised some of their customers that they can buy off me as well, and those customers have then contacted me, and we've gained new customers in that way.
We had about 20 new customers, and they all stayed with us, and they're great customers, and they order plenty of milk and are really supporting us.
We're lucky farming wise. We've got to produce the food, we've got to plant the crops. We've had a little struggle occasionally getting parts, but by and large our local services have been very good to us.
The feedback's been positive. They've been very happy that they've been able to maintain supplies, and that they've not had to come out to get it, basically. Shopping local keeps Llangollen as a vibrant town and maintains the independent shops that we've got here in Llangollen. And it makes a lot of difference to us that if people are prepared to continue taking supply from us.
If we don't have them, everybody going to the supermarkets.
We try and support all our local business and buy everything we can as local as we can, because we want local people to buy our produce.